Have you heard how the Safe4Rail project is improving trains in Europe? If you haven't, this is for you. Let's take a closer look at some of the cool things Safe4Rail is doing. Spoiler alert, your future train commute only gets better. Separate infrastructures for brakes, Wi-Fi, audio systems, climate control, lighting, safety, and door controls is pretty messy, but that's the way it is now. But Safe4Rail will help pull it all together to one unified platform. Say hello to the future smart TCMS, the brain of the train. These consolidated systems means a drastic reduction in the wire used in future trains. As you have probably guessed, less wire means fewer problems. And speaking of fewer wires, Safe4Rail takes wireless to a whole new level and aims for reliable wireless connections within the trains, between the trains, and between trains and stations. This means a 50% reduction in production and maintenance costs. Not only that, the use of wireless technologies to obtain real-time data on position and speed of trains will result in accurate service operation and real-time planning. Maybe you're thinking, testing all these things must be really expensive. Nope. The Safe4Rail engineers developed a way of testing their work without ever leaving the bench. The end result is more safety testing for less money. With all these improvements to the trains, communications, and testing, the European train system could easily become a leader in the global modern railway arena. Be sure to check out our website and stay up to date by following us on social media.